This is Sunday. We are making chicken biryani for rest of the week. Hello friends. Before we start, my name is Vikas Kearney. I am a software professional. I do cooking for fun. Welcome to my channel. The aim of this channel is to encourage professionals to cook their food themselves. So we'll be sharing a lot of tricks, tips for the professional. So you will get benefited anyway. So subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the chicken biryani. I marinated chicken over the night. I may post a clip little bit later. So let's start with onion and small tomato. We are making Hyderabadi dum chicken biryani. I am not just making biryani, I am creating a memory. The first time I had Hyderabad dum biryani, I didn't understand why people are obsessed. Then I opened the lid and that aroma hit me. That's when I realized this is not food, this is an experience. Let's make some magic at the home. Right now I'm cutting the onion. We will be using onion to make onion brista. First we'll add onion brista to chicken and cook it for some time, and then also we're going to keep some chicken barista. Also we are going to keep some onion barista for layering purpose later. So let's cut into slices. I am using the beer grip to cut the onions into smaller slices. So as with any great dish, biryani is about patience and layers, just like life. So what are the ingredients of chicken biryani? Hyderabad dum chicken biryani. Of course you need chicken, basmati rice, yogurt, spices, mint, coriander, fried onion. Hyderabadi biryani actually comes from royal kitchens where chefs cook for hours to impress kings. Today we are doing in our kitchen, no palace required. So I have cut most of the onion. Let's cut some tomatoes. So tomatoes we are going to cut into smaller dices. So let's prepare the rice. I put the khada masalas in the rice cooker, put the rice, and I make sure that I'm using 3 cups of rice, and I put 3 cups of water. So I'm keeping the level of water less, so the rice is only 70% cooked. So here I am frying my onions. So I use 3 onions and 3 big onions. So you have to fry your onions till they become golden. Once they become golden orange, you know your onions are fried. And now we will start our layering process. On the top of fried onions, we are going to add our marinated chicken. We have marinated chicken with curd, haldi and garam masala, red chili, onion, some green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I also added some mint and coriander for marinating it one day before. So let's cook our chicken till it is 20% ready. Now the second layering process starts. We are going to layer rice on the top of it. Make sure you add salt. I added 2 tablespoons of salt to 3 cup of rice when I was cooking them. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, then saffron. Uh, I I warmed up 1 tablespoon of milk and put a saffron. Layering mint and coriander on the top for garnishing purposes. Also adding onion barista on the top. Now the magic of dum will start. We are going to seal the pot. I am using aluminum foil. There are other methods of sealing it. Dum means cooking on slow heat, trapping all the aroma inside. In old times, they used to seal it so tightly, not even the smell could escape. Um, so I kept it. I will keep it down. So after 30-40 minutes, I'm opening it. So here rice is cooked, chicken is cooked. You look at the layers. Each grain is separate. Each piece is separate. So friends, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Thanks for watching.